Alright, so we're all done for now. Gonna test out my camera and take her for a night rip. See, I got the wire harness all buttoned up nice. Got the hot glue done. It's a little gloppy, but you know what? I could trim that off later. So you're gonna watch some footage in a minute of running at night, so it's not very good. It's dark. I already did it, so I already did that part of it. We testing out this camera we got. It's in 4K supposed to be, but I don't really like the footage. I don't know, I haven't decided what to do yet. I'm gonna try a couple other video compressions, see if they can clean it up a little, because the data seems to be there. It's just fuzzy when you upload it or put it into the editor. Anyways, enough of that crap. But it's a test. Let me know what you think. The audio, I'm not questioning. I might have to run 2 videos at once, do the audio off of my phone because it's much better. But yeah, this is the build, man. This is the build. I think she looks good. Now for the body, I just put a post in there because it's got to sit higher. When it sits just about the right level there. So just because of wiring and everything else, I just don't want to make sure there's clearance there. Clearance. So looks like I gotta redo a little hot glue there. It's not bad though. Everything ran real good until that come out. Which you'll see that. Anyways, yeah. Let me know what you think of the video, the footage that comes up. Like and subscribe and all that. And I'll see you when I see you. Alright, so we're gonna do got all the hot glue done. I wired her up nice. Ooh, I missed one. Everything's all wired up. It's looking pretty good, so we're gonna take her for a little night rip and test out this camera. There I am. Smells good out here. Flowers are in bloom. Alright, so alright, so a little test rip. There's our lights. Huh. That one didn't stay as good. Got hot glue on there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Not sure how good or bad this headlamp is. We'll see, right? Ooh. Pretty cool. Barely touching the throttle. One, because I tightened the slipper clutch on her. I want to see where the breaking point is a little bit. See where she whines. And 2, it's middle of the night. Hey, where's Han? We lost Han. So, what we did... Oh, Han's still in there. I'm gonna have to zip tie him down. You see? Not bad. Yeah, the dog won't just come out. See that back end come off again. But I got a cure for that. Yep, I dig it. Alright, so it's a little test rip. There's our lights. Huh. That one didn't stay as good. Got hot glue on there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.